Sorry. Just grooving and moving. Why aren't koalas considered bears? They don't meet the qualifications. Later, neighbor. What's up, neighbor? Just got back from the church. Heard a good one. Wanted to share it with you. Do trees poop? Do they poop? Well, of course they do. How would we get number 2 pencils? Later, gator. I got another doorbell dad joke. This one should be good too. Doorbell dad joke. Okay. What kind of insects are there on the moon? Lunar ticks. Lunar ticks. Lunar ticks. I got a lunar tick on me. Quick doorbell dad joke since I'm getting my steps in. Just a real quick one, getting my steps in. Why did the bicycle fall down? Too tired. After a while, crocodile. Later, gator. It's a good day, it's a snow day. Oh, hey, neighbor. Hey, I'm just out shoveling your driveway. Woo! It's a good day. Hey, dad joke. I got another one. Okay. What do you call the Terminator after he retires? When he retires, what do you call him? The Exterminator. Later, gator. I'll be back. Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. How about a winter doorbell dad joke? Wintertime. So my friends, I just moved into an igloo, and they gave me a housewarming party. Now I'm homeless. Hey, neighbor. Yeah, I'll do yours right off. I do this. It won't shovel itself. Later, game. How you living? Just over next door, getting my green thumb on. Wanted to show you my new toys. They're noise canceling headphones right here. They're kind of fancy schmancy. Not pinky up, more like pinky mid. As the kids would say, they're lit. L-I-T, in the place to be. Anywho, doorbell dad joke for you. What did the socks say to the pants? What did the socks say to the pants? Sup, britches? Oh, my Lanta. Sup, britches. Later, gator. Neighbor. Oh, hey, neighbor. Sorry for the ruckus. Returning your ladder. Thank you. Anywho, I just had a good idea for another doorbell dad joke. Why do cows have bells? Cowbells. Because their horns don't work. Later, Gator.